thank the Lord above for all He's done and all His love. Another year His grace has shown. You're not alone, you're fully known. Happy birthday, child of light. You were made to shine so bright. Through the trials, through the years, He has carried all your tears. So we sing and lift our voice. In your life we now rejoice. May His favor light your way. Blessed be your day. Each breath you take, a gift so true. His plans are being formed in you. He walks beside you every mile with endless mercy, grace, and smile. Happy birthday, child of light. You were made to shine so bright. Through the trials, through the years, He has carried all your tears. So we sing and lift our voice. In your life we now rejoice. May His favor light your way. Blessed be your day. No eye has seen, no mind has known the heights to which you will be grown. Just trust His hand and don't delay. He's guiding you each step, each day. Happy birthday, child of grace. May you always seek His face. Let your heart in Him remain. Through the sunshine and the rain, we will pray and sing and say, blessed be your
Ninang Pastoraan, happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Ann. I miss you and I love you.
Same here.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Maayong gabi Pastora, belated happy birthday. Ug salamat kayo sa imuhang pag atiman namo.
Happy birthday, Pastora Ann. God bless you. Bye.
Hi Pastora, may gabi. Happy birthday. Salamat sa tanan for always praying for us. Gina-include yun ni Mommy as always. Ug salamat sa pag-remind for us through Sister Joanne kung unsa ang gusto ipaabot ni Lord sa amoa. Ang imong pagkabuutan o pagsabot sa amoa means a lot to me. Salamat jud kay isami ng family diri sa Mitsaya Platad, Kulyado Latada. Isami sa imuhang napili nga intindihon. Basta salamat jud sa tanan sa kaluoy sa Ginoo nga nagauban ka namo always. Anyway, wishing you more years to come. 100 years siguro maabot pa ka diha. Wishing you filled with joy, peace, and love, and full of blessing. Happy 50th birthday. Dili man halata kay baby face pa man ang imong itsura, di ba Pastora? Basta anak kani sa Ginoo. Gwapa jud tang tanan. Salamat Lord. Og Mora to, I miss you so much. And I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Pastora! May your special day be filled with joy, strength, and the overflowing love of the Lord. Thank you for being a blessing to others, your heart to serve, guide, and help people reflect God's light in the most beautiful way. As you continue your ministry, may God give you even greater wisdom, compassion, and courage to uplift those who need Him most. Your life is a testimony of grace, and we pray that He uses you even more powerfully in the days ahead. As stated in Galatians 6:9, and let us not grow weary of doing good, for in due season we will reap if we do not give up. May God bless you with long life, good health, and unending favor. Enjoy your day!
Happy 50th birthday, Pastora Ann!
Salamat kayo sa tanan and I wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Thank you so much for everything! Enjoy! I hope enjoy ko ngayon!
And salamat po sa lahat, especially sa pag-guide sa amin. And I hope na magkita tapuhon, especially sa church sa inyo, sa Negros. And we wish you all the best po and happy 50th birthday po.
And you always here in our heart.
Enjoy your day po. Enjoy your day. Ingat po kayo.
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Pastora Ann. God bless you. Greetings from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia.
Happy birthday, Pastora. Salamat kayo sa iyong kawayo. Ilagyan na ni Mira. Lagyan, giniyong kanunay. Salamat kayo, Pastora.
Happy birthday, Pastora.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hi, Pastora Pam. Good evening. Happy 50th birthday. Salamat sa imong pag-atiman namo katawan sa mga Rock of Ages. Bisan tuod og online lang ang among naatinan. Pero salamat gyapon sa Ginoo kay ana gyapon ka nangalagat ka namo iyang katawhan. Once again, happy 50th birthday. I love you, Pastora Pam, and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita. On behalf of ni Ate and for me, I just wanna say happy birthday to you, and I always thank God for giving you another year, and I'm always thankful sa Ginoong tagaan niya o grabe ka supportive na tita, and a tita nga always there to help siya mga pagumangka, and a tita nga always there to guide us in life and through God. And I always pray that God will give you more blessings in life. Again, happy birthday, Tita, and I love you so much. God bless.
Happy birthday, Pastora! Daghang salamat sa imong may pag-atimana mo isip alagad sa Ginoo. I love you, Pastora! I love you, Pastora!
Happy birthday, Pastora!
Hi, Ann! My only sister nga nabili na lang karon. I want to greet you a happy birthday. Golden girl na ka. Pareha na ta. Lipay kayo ko nga naka-igsuon ko kasama nimo. Sister gyud ka nga sa tanang panabang. Sister also in supporting me in all, dili lang ako kundi sa akong pamilya. Ang pinaka masalamat na ako nimo kay nagpaluyog yung ka og mga pag-ampo sa tibuok pamilya. Video ni Love, madunggan ka. Salamat kaayo kay kanunay gid ka. Always ano saman si Tita?
Beautiful.
Oh.
And always kind.
It's making me happy, and I love the gift. So happy birthday! I miss you, Tita.
Again, happy birthday, and I know you are blessed in many ways. And I pray na magpadayon yun ka nga mamuhat diya sa Ginoo. Salamat kayo, and just enjoy your day. Happy birthday!